This is going to be a reading for sign of Virgo. So what you guys can possibly expect for the next, let's take 3 weeks. So currently we have the Death card and we have Knight of Swords. So what are you so restless about, Virgos? I see you having little stress issues, anxiety issues. You guys are going through a transformation, or you have gone through a transformation. With Eight of Wands, I believe some of you are communicating with your person. Some of you are trying to move on, since we have the Death card, and some of you are just trying to stay alone and just going within and just wanting to come, heal yourself, just wanting to basically get back that vibe that once you had, like before you going through such painful times. With the Tower card, some of you, like selected few of you, have gone through a breakup. Okay, so what's the overall vibe going to be for Virgos? What's the overall vibe going to be for Virgos for the month of September? With the World card, yes, you guys are definitely ending something in your life in order to start something new, not just ending for the sake of ending, so that you start something new. Okay, so overall, I feel like you're very much made your mind on wanting to end something, because it is giving you anxiety, it is stressing you out, and it's basically something that is not benefiting you, so you feel the need to end something in order to start something brand new in your life. So Eight of Wands, Tower, and the Death card very much indicates ending in your life, so that you could possibly start something new in your life. Okay, so that being said, let's start. What else do we see coming up for Virgos? What else do we see coming up for Virgos? One card for what else do we see coming up for Virgos? With Eight of Wands, I feel many of you guys, even if you guys are ending something from the past, I see you getting communication from new soulmates, from people. You basically getting attention from other individuals. For some of you, you will meet someone brand new this month. Okay, this could be a fire sign or water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, but I feel you guys will be in communication with a soulmate. It doesn't have to be new or old, it could be anyone. Majorly, I feel you're going to have attention from other people this month. Some of you will have choices. Okay, so many of you guys are not going to be single for the month of September, since this is your birthday month. I believe the universe is basically wanting to make you happy, and wanting you to enjoy this month. Okay, with Four of Pentacles, I still see some reluctancy from your end. You are holding back. You're not exactly very open for new beginnings. Okay, I see you holding back majorly. Okay, one more card for what is coming towards Virgo for the month of September. What's coming forward towards Virgo for the month of September, please? Yeah, with Six of Swords, I believe many of you guys are finally have made the decision of walking away from someone who wasn't really giving you much. Okay, so this is going to be the whole energy of the month. Moving on from a past, and starting something new. You will have the chance to start something new if you're open to it. If you're not, you're not. But if you are, I see you getting a lot of attention this month. Okay. We'll go into much details about your past person as well, someone you were connected with and someone new as well. Okay, so yeah, I'll take two reversals. I won't want to make the reading extra messed up. With Three of Cups, I feel you guys are going to enjoy this month of September. I see you meeting your friends, your family, enjoying your time basically. What else do we see coming up for Virgos? With Queen of Swords, I believe you're going to have a very practical approach this month. Okay, I don't see you being very emotional this month. I see you being very practical and wanting to make smart decisions over emotional decisions. Okay, so Virgos, being the very practical earth sign that you are, you guys are pretty smart. I mean, you guys won't want to get yourself hurt again over some past issue. If you're wanting to move on, you will move on. I mean, yeah, love is there, but if that person isn't giving you much, there's nothing much you could stay for, right? I mean, you guys are smart people, earth signs. You guys are not like water signs that are going to hold on for someone just because of love. Okay, so yeah. Top card we have here is Justice. Some of you are connecting with the Libra. Okay, so that being said, let's start. Overall, what do we have? With Queen of Pentacles and Temperance card, you guys will have the chance to find that peace back in your life, that happiness back in your life. Okay, top card we have is Two of Wands. I see you being at crossroads right now. You guys might have choices whether you should hold on or move on, or whether you could date someone from the past, be open to the past, or be open to the new. Okay, some of you might be even moving on to another place, like relocating. Okay, some of you might be moving out for jobs. Okay, so yes, that is also there. One card, what's the overall scenario going to be like for Virgo and their soulmate for the month of September? What's the overall scenario going to be like for Virgo and their soulmate for the month of September? With the Emperor card, I see you being more in control of your life, like not really saying much, doing much, being a little, I would say, dominating this month, not really showing much of your emotions, not really wanting to show much of your emotions, just wanting to be in control of your life. Okay, your soulmate's energy towards you. What's your soulmate's energy going to be towards you? What's your soulmate's energy going to be towards you? God, what's your soulmate's energy going to be towards you? With Five of Wands, I see this person being conflicted when it comes to you, not really having a clear mind or a clear mindset or a clear plan when it comes to you. For some of you, this person is more focused on themselves than you. I see them, for selected few of you, not basically thinking through this whole situation and just wanting to stay focused on them. They do feel a strong pull to you, but with the Sun card, this person is more focused on themselves. Okay, with Seven of Cups, for selected few of you, your partner has options. Five of Wands and Seven of Cups indicates options. Okay, so what are they wanting to do about you? What are they wanting to do about you? The intentions towards you, Virgo soulmates intentions towards Virgo. Virgo soulmates intentions towards Virgo. Please, one card for that. Virgo soulmates intentions towards Virgo. Yeah, with Knight of Pentacles, this person is very, very slow, extremely, extremely slow. They are there, but sometimes you feel like they are not there because you really can't see any action being taken, any fast movement happening from their end. Okay, so this person is being very calculated when it comes to this connection, not really doing much, saying much. There's no basic like basic like you don't feel like this person is wanting to come forward towards you. You feel like this person is still focused on themselves and still doing themselves. Okay, so one card for what action are they wanting to take towards you now. What action are they wanting to take towards you, Virgos? What action are they wanting to take towards you? With the Fool card here, I'll have to see the second card. Yeah, with Four of Cups, I still see this person coming forward, but this person will come and go. I still do not see them completely like coming forward and staying there. But I do feel this person will message you or communicate with you. But I see no like major intentions of staying there or doing something major that you feel like yeah, this person is wanting me back again. Okay, so if this is a new person, how is this person coming forward? If this is a new person, how is this person going to come forward? One card for that, please. If this is a new person, I see more interest from their side, them possibly wanting to date you, wanting to flirt with you, wanting something sexual with you as well. They are very attracted towards you. Okay, with Queen of Pentacles, this person cares about you. Not just cares, they are also very much sexually attracted towards you, whereas the past person is still wanting to focus on themselves. Okay, so if you have choices between new and old, you know what to do, right? Yeah. So one card for your soulmates, past or new, their feelings towards you. What are their feelings towards you? Virgo soulmates, feelings for Virgo for the month of September, please. How do they truly feel for Virgos now? This person is majorly stalking you. I still see them being defensive. This might be your past person who's behaving this way. Okay. The new person is still wanting to start something with you. The past person is still very much defensive. They are stalking you. They keep a watch on you. They keep a tap on you. But they are very much reluctant on taking action towards you. Okay. So what's their next move gonna be? One card. What's their next move gonna be? Virgo soulmates move towards Virgo for the month of September. You're going to have a card. Yeah, I still see your person holding back. If it's the past person, if it's the new person, how are they going to come forward? What's the action going to be if Virgo is dating someone new this month? If it's a new person, I see them giving you a brand new offer, like a serious, genuine offer. Okay, so you guys have definitely have choices between past and new, and I believe the past person is still wanting to keep things very stagnant. They are wanting to stay focused on themselves. They are wanting to take very much calculated steps towards you, which is more or less no action from their side. But the new person is genuinely interested, and they are very much coming forward. Okay, so for Virgo and their soulmate, where is it going forward now? For Virgo and their soulmate, where is it going forward now? Usually I do not do old and new, since it's your birthday month. I'm going to do it for you. Okay, one card for where is it going forward for Virgos this month and their soulmate. Sorry, we already have a card. Yeah, with Queen of Cups, many of you guys are going to be in relationship this month. Okay, but you will have choices. It's up to you whether you want to stay in a relationship. You'll have to date the new person. If you want the past person, I still see things not going anywhere. If it's the past person, I still see disappointments. If it's the new person, you could look forward to it, very much look forward to it. Okay, so what's the main blockage between you and your soulmate? What's the main blockage between Virgo and their soulmate? What's really stopping the two from coming together, if we may know? For some of you, this person is way too focused on their finances, their family, their business, themselves. Okay, that's the main blockage. Okay, they are focused elsewhere, not on you, elsewhere. Okay, so yes. Okay, so let's take love message from your person now. We already have one message. I want to apologize for my actions, so that your person wanted to say they are genuinely sorry for whatever they have done. This might be the past person. Give one more message. Virgo, someone is wanting to say to Virgos this month. I'm sorry, I was in denial. So this might be a general message. I'm sorry, I was in denial. Maybe they never thought they had feelings for you. They thought it's just attraction, but I see it being more than attraction. I see them having feelings for you. One more message from Virgo soulmate to Virgo now for the month of September, please. I'm sorry, I'm following my life purpose. So this might be for a past person. They are following their life purpose. They are following their dreams. Okay, and yes, I can't. Yes, I admit I can't express my feelings. Okay, so for many of you, I believe that your past person is wanting to stay focused on themselves and not on you. If your new person, I fantasize about you. Okay, excuse that. I didn't want to write it fully. I love your possessive side as well. So we have two messages. If it's the new person, I fantasize about you, and I love your possessive side. So yes, this was your reading for sign of Virgo this month. Happy birthday month to all of you. I love you all. If you resonate with this video, please do hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. Thank you for coming in. Means a lot. And see you soon, guys. Happy month again.